and 85 degrees. This is the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana. Broadcasting from NOAA Weather Radio WXL82. Feelings mostly sunny and 86 with breezy winds. Kalispell around the state of Florida. For additional information.
WXL25 is going off.
This is the National Weather Service office in Missoula. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station WXL25's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially...
This is WXL82.
Reception of the weather radio station WXL82's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn the receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Missoula, Lake, and will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Warning device. We now return to normal programming. 11 a.m. Weather in Missoula. Good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Flathead, Lake, and Lincoln. This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. We now return to normal programming. Specific temperatures for Kalispell. High today 80.